Hey there, food lovers! We created the most classic ice cream sandwich cake ever. Layers of creamy ice cream, chocolatey wafers, rich sauces, and fluffy whipped topping create a delightful taste of summer in every bite, no matter the season. Kids love unwrapping ice cream sandwiches, spreading whipped topping, and sneaking bites. It's a fun family activity that turns dessert making into a party. Let's begin this delicious adventure. Grab those ice cream sandwiches, and let's make some magic. Every great dessert starts with the right ingredients, so here's what you'll need. 24 classic ice cream sandwiches. These are our foundation. 1 large jar each of hot fudge and caramel sauce. Get the thick, rich kind. 1 large container of frozen whipped topping, thawed. 1 cup of chopped chocolate-covered toffee bars or your favorite candy for crunch. Half a cup of rainbow or chocolate sprinkles for fun. Maraschino cherries for garnish, if you like. That's it. No flour, no eggs, no complicated steps. Use ingredients you love. Swap in different candy bars or sprinkles to make it your own. Grab a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Glass is great for seeing the layers. Make sure you have freezer space for chilling. This recipe is flexible and foolproof, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Gather your treasures, clear your workspace, and let's get ready to assemble. Got your ingredients? Got your pan? Let's move on to the fun part. This is going to be fantastic, we promise. Let's start building our cake. Time for the great unwrapping. This is the moment everyone's been waiting for, the start of our delicious adventure. Gather your family or friends around, because this is a step that's even more fun when you do it together. Get those ice cream sandwiches out of their wrappers. Kids love this part. There's something so satisfying about peeling back the paper and revealing that perfect rectangle of chocolate and vanilla. Unwrap 12 sandwiches and lay them snugly in the bottom of your baking dish. You want them to fit together as closely as possible, like puzzle pieces coming together to form the base of your dessert. Think of these as the bricks of your dessert skyscraper. Each sandwich is a building block, and together they'll create a sturdy, delicious foundation. If you need to, cut a couple to fill in any gaps. Perfection isn't required. Just do your best to cover the whole bottom of the dish, so every bite has that classic ice cream sandwich flavor. The goal is a solid, even base for all the deliciousness to come. Don't worry if it's not picture perfect. It's all going to be covered in layers of goodness soon. This first layer holds everything together, so make it count. Press the sandwiches down gently to make sure they're nice and snug. Already you can see how amazing this is going to be. The anticipation is building, and the kitchen is probably filled with the sweet scent of chocolate and vanilla. The soft chocolatey cookie and creamy vanilla ice cream are a perfect start. It's a classic combination that never fails to make people smile. But we're not stopping here. We're about to take it to the next level. The real fun is just beginning, and the next steps will add even more flavor and excitement. Admire your work for a second. This is your blank canvas. Imagine all the possibilities for what comes next. Make sure the sandwiches are nestled in tightly, no big empty spaces. A good foundation means every bite will be just right. Once you're happy with your foundation, it's time for the next step. Take a deep breath and get ready for the magic to happen. Get ready for some rich, gooey, wonderful sauces. Chocolate, caramel, or even a drizzle of peanut butter. Whatever you love, have it ready. This is where things get really good. The sauces will seep into the cracks and crevices, making every bite extra decadent. Are you excited? We are. This is the part where you can get creative and make this dessert your own. Let's keep building this masterpiece. Each layer adds more flavor, more texture, and more fun. The next layer is going to make your taste buds sing. Think sprinkles, nuts, or even crushed cookies. Whatever makes you happy. Grab your sauces and let's get saucy. Don't be shy. This is your chance to go all out. The magic is just beginning. Let's move on. The best is yet to come, so get ready for the next delicious step. Now for the best part, let's get saucy. This is where your dessert transforms from simple to spectacular. And trust us, you don't want to hold back. Warm your hot fudge sauce just enough to make it pourable, not hot. You want it silky and smooth, so it glides over your dessert without melting the ice cream underneath. A quick zap in the microwave or a gentle heat on the stove does the trick. Pour half the jar over your ice cream sandwich layer and spread it evenly. Use a spatula to coax that chocolate into every nook and cranny, ensuring no spot is left uncovered. Cover every inch. This is where the decadence begins. The glossy fudge will set the stage for all the flavors to come, so don't be shy. Next, drizzle half the caramel sauce right over the fudge. Let it cascade in golden ribbons, adding a sweet, buttery richness that pairs perfectly with the chocolate. Zigzag, swirl, or just pour. There are no rules here. Get creative. You can make fun patterns or just let the caramel flow naturally. The combo of rich chocolate and sweet caramel is pure dessert heaven. When these two meet, it's a match made in sweet tooth paradise, creating a flavor explosion in every bite. Step back and admire those glossy, gooey layers. They're not just beautiful, they promise a taste that's out of this world. You've got a solid base, a decadent fudge layer, and golden caramel ribbons. Each layer adds its own magic, building anticipation for that first forkful. This is already looking incredible, and we're just getting started. The best part? There's still more deliciousness to come. The sauces will seep into the sandwiches, making every bite amazing. As they soak in, they soften the ice cream sandwiches and infuse them with even more flavor. Now, it's time to add a cloud of fluffy sweetness. Whipped topping is the perfect contrast to the rich sauces, adding lightness and a creamy finish. Grab your whipped topping. This is the layer that brings it all together. Spread it generously, letting it cover every inch of your masterpiece. With every step, we're building flavor and texture. Each layer adds a new dimension, making this dessert a true showstopper. Ready for the next layer? Let's go. There's no such thing as too much when it comes to this cake. This cake is all about layers of joy. The more, the better. Every addition makes it more irresistible and fun to eat. Let's keep going and make this cake unforgettable. Next up, whipped topping. Onward to creamy goodness. Get ready because the next layer will take this dessert over the top. Time to lighten things up with a layer of whipped topping. Make sure it's thawed and easy to spread. Dollop half the tub over your caramel and fudge, then gently spread it out. Cover the sauces completely, all the way to the edges. This layer locks in all that gooey goodness and adds a dreamy, creamy texture. Be gentle. Keep those layers distinct and beautiful. Think of it as frosting a cake, a smooth white canvas for what's next. This fluffy layer balances out the richness below. Every layer has its purpose, and every layer is delicious. Our cake is really starting to take shape now. We've got our base, sauces, and cream cloud. What's next? The crunch. Get ready for a burst of texture and color. This is where the fun really kicks in. Grab your candy and sprinkles. Let's make this cake a party. Get ready to dive into a world of crunch and vibrant colors. It's the perfect moment to unleash your imagination. Sprinkle half your chopped candy bars evenly over the whipped topping. Make sure every bite gets a bit of that buttery, crunchy texture. Next, add a generous layer of rainbow or chocolate sprinkles. This is where the cake starts to look like a celebration. Kids love this step. Let them go wild with the sprinkles. The combo of crunchy candy and festive sprinkles is pure joy. Our masterpiece is halfway done. Now, we're going to do it all again. Double the layers, double the fun. Ready for the grand finale? Let's build the second story of our cake. More layers, more flavor, more fun. Let's go. Time to double down on deliciousness. Unwrap the remaining 12 ice cream sandwiches and layer them on top. Arrange them snugly, cutting to fit if needed. Pour the rest of your hot fudge and caramel sauce over this new layer. Spread evenly for maximum gooiness. Top with the rest of your whipped topping, smoothing it out beautifully. Finish with the remaining chopped candy and sprinkles. Add maraschino cherries if you want that classic touch. Step back and admire your towering, multi-layered masterpiece. You did it, the ultimate ice cream sandwich cake. This cake is a showstopper inside and out. All that's left is to chill and slice. Let's get this beauty ready for the freezer. The finish line is in sight. The hardest part, waiting. Cover your cake tightly and freeze for at least 4 hours or overnight for best results. This sets the layers and melds the flavors into one perfect dessert. When ready to serve, let it sit out for 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly. Use a sharp knife, dipped in hot water for clean slices, to cut into squares. Admire those gorgeous layers. Ice cream, fudge, caramel, whipped topping, crunch. Serve and watch the smiles appear. You've created a true work of art. This cake is as beautiful as it is delicious. Enjoy every bite, you've earned it. Now let's share the joy. Wasn't that fun? We hope you loved making this ultimate classic ice cream sandwich cake. Share your creations on social media and tag us. We'd love to see your twists. Leave a comment below and tell me how your cake turned out. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy, joyful recipes. Remember to ring that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking journey today. Your support means the world. Now go enjoy your delicious cake. Until next time. Happy baking!